Here comes Ely. Ely, say hi to Ranjini and Rupsha. Padma and Arnab, say hi. Say, look, you gotta come visit us. Yeah, that's what he says. Then there she goes, wandering around, looking for food. Nothing new. Wait, what do you have to say? Say hi. What's Nanny doing? Go get her. Go get Nanny. Go get Nanny. Up. Nope. Okay. What's that? Big truck? What's that? What's going on? There you go. What's happening? She's eating grass. Okay. This is the yard. It's pretty big. Pretty big. Woodpile, and then there's Evie. Yes, the wagging the tail. Say hello. There's Nanny. Finding her way. What's happening? Yep. Going down. Oh, going downhill. Downhill. You got it. Yeah, there you go. Yep. Okay, go pee pee. Silly girl. And you're on the road. On the road.